Rough diamonds at home can be done with several simple methods, and one of the easiest is the air test. This test relies on how diamonds interact with air due to their unique physical properties such as density and thermal conductivity. Below is a detailed guide explaining how to perform this test safely and correctly. Why the air test works. Diamonds have a very high density and excellent thermal conductivity. Because of this, diamonds do not easily fog when exposed to warm breath. Any fog created disappears almost instantly. Most fake stones like glass or quartz remain foggy for a few seconds. This makes the air test a quick preliminary check before using more advanced testing methods. Tools you need: the rough stone you want to test, clean cloth or tissue, good lighting, your breath. Step by step air test method. 1. Clean the stone before starting. Wipe the stone with a clean cloth to remove dust or oils that might affect results. 2. Hold the stone close to your mouth. Hold the rough stone using your fingers or tweezers. 3. Blow warm air on the stone. Blow warm air onto the surface as if you were fogging a mirror. Hab 4. Observe the fog reaction. Real rough diamond. Fog disappears in 1 to 2 seconds. Fake stone. Fog remains visible for 3 to 5 seconds or more. Scientific explanation. Diamonds disperse heat very quickly due to their strong atomic structure. When warm air touches the surface, the temperature equalizes fast, causing the fog to vanish rapidly. Materials like glass or cubic zirconia do not transfer heat as efficiently, so the fog remains longer. Hack important tips. Perform the test several times for accuracy. Make sure the stone is dry. Use this method as an initial test, not final proof. Combine with other tests such as scratch test, water test, or magnification. Hashed. Advantages of the air test: simple and fast, no tools required, safe for the stone, can be done anywhere. Limitations: cannot guarantee 100% identification. Some synthetic stones may give similar results, best used with other testing methods.